Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about one more built-in functionality of list, which is known as index. So let us start with it. Index function in Python returns the index position of the item found in the list, which means that index method is used to perform the search operation in the list, and it will return the index position of an item where it is found. So basically it is used to perform search operation on list, and it only returns the index position of the first occurrence of an item only. So what does it mean? Let us understand that if I have a list of 100 numbers and one value is there which is present 3 or 4 times in the list at several locations. That means at different index positions, the value is stored. So my index function will only return me the index position of the first occurrence of that particular item. So what is the syntax for the same? List1 dot index of item. List1, the list in which I am going to look for an item, and index is my method which is containing one argument, that is element, which is to be searched. For example, I have a list of these elements. Now, if you observe, then 12 element is present twice in my list. So first 12 is stored at second index location, and the last one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at fifth location also 12 element is stored. Now I'm going to look for 12 in my list. So I'm going to perform the search operation on my list on the basis of this 12 element. So I will get this particular result. That means I am getting second index position where it is stored. My index method will not look for second occurrence in the list for the same element. It will return me the first occurrence index position as a result. So this index method is used to find, or we can say to search an element in the list. And if the element is not present at all into my list, then it will return an error. So we can implement it practically as well. Let us try this. I'm going to take one list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 6, right? These are my elements. Now I want to look for index of 4. We can take 2, right? So I'm getting 1. That means 2 is present twice into my list, but I'm getting the index position of the first occurrence of element 2. That is first index location, right? Now I'm going to perform L1 dot index 5, right? So I will get an error. Why? Because 5 value is not at all present inside my list. So we can check whether the element is present in the list or not with the help of this index function. And as a result, it will return me the index value also where the element is stored. So this is how index method works. So I hope the concept is pretty clear to all of you. Keep watching, keep practicing. I will come with more tutorials in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.